This is Courtyard by Marriott in Fargo, North Dakota. Let's go check it out.
Okay, we are 54 miles away from Fargo, North Dakota, our 32nd state. We're gonna get there like around 9:30. This review is definitely gonna be, in the dark, but we'll show you what the Courtyard looks like. We booked this hotel using points. We had 16,000 points. We spent $80 to get another 8,000 points. And so for us, this hotel that was going for $350 only costed us $80 for tonight. Now we're only gonna sleep here for like 6-7 hours. We do have to leave the hotel early for the air show. Make sure you come back and check that video out. The air show is the reason why Fargo is so expensive this weekend. This air show was not happening for the past 3 years and is coming back after 3 years. I think I read somewhere 30,000 people are expected to see the air show. So it's an expensive weekend to be in Fargo. So for us, just to spend $80 was a very, very good little hack thanks to the 16,000 points that we have. We're crossing Red River. Welcome to 32nd state of North Dakota. 32nd state.
And Google said it too.
Yeah! It says Earthlings welcome. Wow, this is Fargo at night, so we're pretty close to the hotel. Everything closes around 9:30 or 10, so we're gonna stop at a restaurant, pick up our food, and then we'll show you guys the hotel.
Continue on 23rd Avenue South. You have arrived.
So we're gonna go check into the hotel. This is gonna be like a nighttime review of the Courtyard. Now from the outside I see a laundry room. There is the gym, elliptical machine, some weights back there. So that's quite a big size gym. All empty, of course. It's almost 9:30 at night.
Let's go in.
And see? Courtyard Marriott. Welcome to Fargo. This is the Fargo dining guide. This is the Fargo official visitor guide. So right at the entrance, they actually have a nice cold water station, and his, of course, loves cold water. They have a couple of TVs and a sitting area. That's where Alia and Isa are sitting down. We're room 424.
Yay!
Let's go check in. But before we go up, we're just gonna quickly show you guys. Check out the nice TV and the lobby here.
Yeah, the lobby is really nice, and they have a business library there.
Business library. Pool is on the other side. We parked right in front of it.
Yeah.
We may show that to you guys in the morning, but they do have a pool. There's a store there as well. More seating area and plenty of desk space for you to work. I actually like the seating area back there. Families can come, hang out, eat, watch TV. So this is the full lobby. I want to show you there's also an outside area with a lot of tables. It's actually really good for even us. We're not going to do that in this trip. Even us to come down and just hang out, because there's like little nooks and crannies that you
I
can
have
hang
a feeling, I don't see a restaurant around here, but the seating does give me a feeling that there is a buffet somewhere around here for the breakfast.
It's not a buffet. It's the bistro behind, which is closing. They also serve breakfast in the morning.
Yeah, that's
And-
what it is.
Yeah, and it's an a la carte menu. They do not have buffets here.
So, because this does have a cafe feel here.
Yes, this all is a
Yeah.
cafe sitting area. But yeah, you can check out the hours there. There's some drinks. Now right behind Alia is also a marketplace where you can check out water and snacks. I'll show you guys. And they also have microwave and utensils and napkins. The bistro hours, right, closes at 9:30 and 10. Today is Saturday, so it's closed at 10. Bistro and bar hour 5 to 10 p.m. Khiz and Isa are patiently waiting. We have traveled from New York to New Jersey, caught a flight to Minnesota, and here we are in Fargo, North Dakota. So these kids have been up since 5 a.m. throughout all of that. And we also went to a museum and we went plane spotting.
Yeah.
And look at these troopers with blue lips.
Yeah.
All right, let's go check out the room now. All right, let's go to room 424.
Come on
Oh,
in.
yeah. It's all ready. So right away you have the bathroom here. They have a lotion, not branded. That's actually interesting. Soap, towels, bathtub. I actually like the wall and the wallpaper back here. More towels. So pretty nice setup. No more little bottles. You got the big bottle. It's a nice, spacious bathroom indeed, and it looks pretty new.
Moving on to the room. This is your closet. Full length mirror. Even better, inside. That's a lot of mirror, but we don't mind that at all. Just enough space. You have enough hangers, shelf space. It does look a little messy right now because I just dumped everything, all of our luggage in there, but you have ironing board, and nice size closet. On to the beds. We have 2 queen size beds. They look pretty comfortable, but we can only tell tomorrow how comfortable they actually were. Now here you have a side table with an alarm clock, phone, and some more mirrors.
Just a quick observation. From this view, this room looks very refreshing.
It
that
is.
wallpaper, the carpet, the beds. I can't remember last time we
Yeah.
stayed at a Courtyard. Do you remember?
I have a feeling like 4 years ago we were in Miami and we stayed at a Courtyard Marriott.
right.
But this definitely looks renewed.
And very modern.
The walls are very nice, clean, modern. There's a lot of lighting in the room, a lot of mirrors, and even furniture is much more modern design than your usual big
I actually really like
desk.
this.
Yeah. Let's open some drawers and see what's. So that's some storage, which is always good.
Pretty roomy.
Very roomy. And I like the little suitcase place where you can plant your suitcase. Love the desk chair, and more importantly, love the TV.
Yes.
And you can stream. Oh, you can move it around.
And very easy to move around, by the way.
Okay, so far I'm loving Courtyard Marriott.
Yes.
2 thumbs up from me.
2 thumbs up. Yeah, this we have stayed in quite a bit of Hyatt because we had a bunch of Hyatt points that we wanted to use, and now we are branching into Marriott. And the more we stay in Marriott, we are starting to appreciate the difference. We like both brands.
Yes.
We are appreciating the difference, and this setup is very nice.
Right next to the TV, you have some USB and some outlets.
Like we said before, this corner is very modern and brand new and refurnished. You have a coffee station, a few cups. You also have your mini fridge in here and like some glasses.
And your ice bucket. And then you know what? From time to time, somebody does write on our channel, why are you making the kids talk in our videos or whatever? I just wanted to say that his was like, hey mom, is it okay if he can talk about the coffee and this corner? And then Isa came and said, you wanted to show us what?
The view.
The view. Let's go check it
So
out.
here you have your couch. It's nighttime, but we're still going to show you the view.
In front of us is Sanford, which is a hospital. We actually thought it was a hotel, but it's not. It's a hospital. And so parking lot, Sanford Hotel. There's not many businesses out here, so you definitely need a car. You can just always Uber, DoorDash, Grubhub your food into the hotel. Ali, can you share how we got this hotel?
So $350 for this hotel this weekend, especially because there is an air show happening in Fargo, which we're going to be a part of tomorrow, and we'll share that with you. So don't forget to watch that video. We didn't pay $350, we only paid $80. And how come? It's because we had collected 16,000 points. We needed 8,000 more points, which we bought for $80. And then we had a total of 24,000 points for one night of this room. And this is how we ended up paying only $80 for the one night stay instead of $350.
So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tour of Marriott. Maybe in the morning, we'll show you guys some. This is the family from the future. The next morning, we're checking out the view. That is the hospital, and a helicopter just took off from it. And yep, this is
very nice.
what the view looks like of the parking lot. It is raining outside. All right, here's a quick look at the hallway in the morning. And here is the gym from the inside, and this is the lobby in the daytime. So just for comparison, you guys can see the lobby here. A lot of people sitting, having some lunch at the bistro. What do you think, Shiz?
It's quite nice, actually.
Very nice, right? So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this tour of Courtyard by Marriott in Fargo, North Dakota. We're gonna catch you guys in the
Next one.
bye for now. Bye. Great. And look at your blue Slurpees back there. It's a really nice hotel. What do you think, Lisa?
Lisa?
What? It's a really